Lines, wrinkles, dry skin, loose skin. Let's fix that. I lost 43 pounds at 60 years old. Everything was hanging. It was demoralizing. I would turn my arm like this and look at the time. I'd have a million crepey lines on my arm. I was blow drying my hair, a pooch of deflated skin. My inner thighs, my ankle, I don't want to talk about it. It was bad. Let me show you how I fixed that. I exfoliated the skin on my body aggressively every day. But then I used the Deep Wrinkle Protocol Body Butter with the 7 Deep Wrinkle Protocol peptides and the 12 butters. Now, you guys, when you're using a body butter, I can guarantee you that's not a real butter. The first ingredient is always water. It's just a thick emulsion with a little bit of butters in it. This is a real butter. Do you see that? 12 butters: shea butter, marula, sea buckthorn, pistachio seed, mango seed, hemp, baobab, everything. Now, the thing with this body butter also is, because it's so active, you don't use that much, but applying it every single day after the shower within 5 minutes will seal all that moisture in, and the actives will go to work to start reducing the crepiness and the loose skin. I will tell you also, it stays on your skin because things either evaporate off your skin or go into the skin. The next day, when you shower again, you feel it reactivating. I used it every single day on my whole body, and I used it a second time on my problem areas, like under my arms, my inner thighs, and other areas that I felt were really sagging through this period of reduction. This saved me. And even if you're not going through any form of rapid reduction, you still can use this for dry, aging skin on the body, or if you're not aging, really beautiful, satiny, saturated looking skin. This is the real deal.